Congratulations! You just came across the opportunity to give your programming skills a turbo boost with the Amplifying F# mentorship program. The program will run on a weekly basis and it is designed for people who already have some experience in programming and who want to become a better programmer. If you like the functional parts of languages like Python, C# or TypeScript, then F# will just feel like the logical next step. And it is a step into a world of conciseness, simplicity and fun. Learning F# with the mentorship program isn't just about learning new syntax for concepts you might already know. No, it is about learning a new way of thinking. So in the end, you'll be able to write better code faster and software that is extremely reliable. And you'll discover that F# magically will make you do things the right way. Plus, it is extremely practical. As a so-called functional first language, it has a focus on things that we desire like immutability, composability, piping, pure functions and many more good things. And yet, it is still very well suited for imperative programming and object-oriented programming if you think that is necessary. So besides all these great promises, what can you actually do practical with F#? You can do basically everything that you can do with .NET or with JavaScript. So just to name a few, now let me have a look on my list because there are so many. So you can do desktop and mobile applications with Avalonia or Maui. You can do web services with ASP.NET or with other great frameworks we have around there. We can do high performance code. We can do boring or very interesting LOB applications. And so much more great stuff. Believe me, it's absolutely worth having a look at F#. So what's the Amplifying F# mentorship program actually offering you? We have paired together with our highly valued F# community member Ian Russell. Ian is an experienced teacher and the author of the book Essential F#, and he will guide you through a weekly 2-hour online live session that will teach you the very basics of F# and functional programming so that you will quickly be able to write F# programs and become a confident F# developer. So in the sessions, you'll be able to ask questions and get answers, to participate in discussions, to code examples on your own, to learn from other participants and experts, and you'll get feedback on your own code from us. In addition to Ian, there will also be Edgar Gonzalez guiding you. Edgar is an F# compiler contributor. He's an expert in desktop and mobile application, and he's one of the founding members of Amplifying F#. And there will be me. I'm Ronald. I'm doing .NET since over 20 years now. I have a lot of open source stuff out there, and I like to bridge the gap between theoretical things and practically usable things. So we are all here to show you what we have experienced as a great thing to learn, and of course there will be you. No matter if you are an employee of a company, an individual programmer, a student, a hobby programmer or an expert. Level up your skills as a programmer and developer and surpass the limits that you usually experience with languages like C# or TypeScript and become an F# programmer. So in the next few days we'll release some infos how you can join the Amplifying F# mentorship program. Just check our Twitter, check our GitHub, join the Amplifying F# live sessions on Friday. See you guys. I'm really happy to have you here. I'm Ronald and I'm out.